day today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my keto creamy chicken and broccoli. If you like this type of video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also ring that bell so you don't miss any notifications that are of upcoming videos. And if you like this type of video, make sure you comment down below and let me know. Okay, what you're going to need is a bag of frozen broccoli, 2 cut up chicken breasts, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, some heavy whipping cream, and some milk. I use organic almond milk that's unsweetened. McCormick garlic and herb seasoning, and onion powder. I'm going to start off by doing a half a tablespoon and about a quarter of a tablespoon. Mix that up. Okay, once you have that mixed up, add in 4 tablespoons of the heavy cream. And mix that up. Okay, now that's mixed up, I'm going to add in half a cup of the almond milk. Okay, once that's mixed up, I'm just going to take my pan and sprinkle my cut up chicken over the top of the broccoli. And then use some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of dill weed over the top. Now pour your mixture over the top of that. Cover this and bake it in the oven. I start off at 375 for about 20 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to put this back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Okay, so my timer just went off and I made sure that my chicken was fully cooked. I'm just going to stir everything up to make sure that it is completely incorporated with the juice. And then you can either eat this as is or serve it over quinoa or brown rice. And you could also add in more vegetables if you would like some onions or something like that. If you like this type of video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you ring that bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Make sure to leave a comment down below as well as to something else you'd like to see me cook. Bye!